Here we go. I only got 10 minutes. We got $10 worth of arrowheads. So, these are my smallest ones. Some of them ain't the greatest, but hey. And that one there is really nice. And that one there is, whoa, even though it's broke. But anyway, we gotta get them moving along. Got a lot of points here. Ain't got much time on my camera. Lighting ain't very good today. But gotta go with what we got. I don't know what's going on with the focus. There's that one, all little bitty. Little wing. I think a lot of them were just broke when they make. I found so many of them with the one wing broke. Crap, I forgot what I did. That's my oldest arrowhead I got. I had one before that I found that day. This hole. Perfect. It's got a little couple of dings in it. Fire damage or something. But I gave it to my cousin from Vegas. So. What's going on with my focus? That's $10 worth of little bitty arrowheads. And a couple pieces. If you didn't make the cut here, that would have been nice. What is wrong with my camera? Yeah, that would have been a sweet one. There's some other cool little pieces. Here's one I made. The light shine through it. Got stripes with the light shines through it. Serrations. So I wish I'd find one that nice. This is cool. It's a clear bead. Polished triangle. I'm almost positive it's an artifact because I found 3 of them there that day. That's just the nicest one. Burial bead. Another little burial bead. This one would have been a cool one. A nice Indian bead in it. Squirt, you stay down. But anyway, I wanted to show this off. Here's my half a banded slate banner stone. And the archaeologist told me that was reworked, so they used it for something like that after it was broke. Red banded slate though, that's beautiful. The best piece of banner stone I've ever found. Got like tally marks down here. Something. That ain't plow marks. But anyway, let me just show that off. Got this thing. I don't know. It's stone. Got like slate or something. I wish I had better light in here. But see how that chip is? That don't look like factory made. I think it's some kind of artifact. It might even be just center of the reed. When you drill these, there's a little core left. I was kind of wondering if that was what that was. Beautiful little cell. Man, my camera and my light just nice. Anyway, I got a couple other nice ones. Oh yeah, see, this is what I got to go through to find all these. Got to unwrap every one of them. Well, every one of them ain't wrapped up this nice. That's a lot of work. Well, this was wrapped up a little extra nice, but they're all wrapped up at least in toilet paper. This is that sticky gauze bandage. But this is my prize. So this is why it was so hard and took so long to get mine together. Plus I still ain't, I'm pretty sure, I'm positive I ain't found all of mine. Got bags of arrowheads I haven't located yet. I'll keep them all wrapped up, put up, buried. But this is my prize right there, baby. Look at that. Jim Gray Cokia Point. I think it's a Mound 72 type. Oh man, that's beautiful. That's awesome. Man, that is awesome. Anyway, got all these other ones too. These are more quarter size arrowheads. This one's found in a bulldoze track. Look how thin that is. That is beautiful. Oh, that's one of my favorite ones. That nice point. I mean, right in the tread of the track. Found that in the creek, covered them all. That's what my brother found with that double extra notch. Piculated needle tip. Another serrated, a couple heartbreaks. Really cool needle all. I mean, that's really finally worked. That is a really cool piece. And my prize. These up from here around, kind of awesome triangles. Especially these last couple here. Let's pick these up. I got enough time. Look at this one. It's got a twist. Oh man, that is, I think that's so nice. I wonder if it wasn't paleo almost. But I don't know. This one. Seen ones like this in a book that said these was Cokia Mound's chief arrowheads they'd take when they'd travel, and so they could shoot at anything that moved, basically. Look at the flaking on that. Come on, camera. Oh, that's a beautiful. Yeah, I think that's a Cokia point for sure. And then this one here, look at that. That is one huge thin triangle. Look at it on a quarter. See, that's way bigger than a quarter. Look at it next to the dime. See, it's almost like 3 dimes. Yeah, that's one of my, that is a prize one there too. Got that real nice flaky. Anyway, I got a couple. Oh yeah, I got one more piece I want to show you. This is another one of my prize, Night Island or Jack's Reef. Oh, that is beautiful. See, I mean, I like the little tiny bird points, but I also like these big old bird points. I mean, that's thin. And there's a couple others I ran across. Little kind of cow head, Hardaway. Cool little needle. This is a thick piece with a real needle point. My fish effigy with the crystal eye in it. Really nice crystal eye. Look at that. It's got rings in it. Beautiful quarter size palmer. Couple beautiful. A heartbreak one there, but